We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this mysterious girl and playable character in the Genshin Impact video game. How do you go about pronouncing her name? The Japanese say it something along the lines of Fischl, Fischl. However, she is a German princess, and her name is certainly of German origin. This is actually a fairly common name in Germany. In German, this name is normally pronounced as Fischl, not Fischl, but rather Fischl. Since she is a German princess, her name is to be pronounced Fischl, and that's what the Japanese are trying to mimic when they say Fischl, Fischl, but her name is actually Fischl, Fischl, the princess. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of more characters from the Genshin Impact video game. I'll see you there to learn more.